Using the Easytapsplitter kit, you select your liners the correct size for placing over the spout, like so. Next step is to correct the correct size of inserts for going over the tap head nut and place over. Then using the pull spanner, place that over the nut, adjusting the holding screw there just to hold that in place. Once that is in place, get hold of the TapSplitter sleeve and push over the liner until it's firmly located to the bottom, like so. Next, get hold of the pull rod, placing on the end notch over the spanner and sliding the threaded part through the TapSplitter sleeve. Place the washer over and the long nut and tighten. Hand tight. Once this is in place, we're now ready to remove the tap headgear. Using the spanner on the long nut, simply wind it in a clockwise direction, which will pull the spanner towards the spout in a slow rotational manner, creating a very large force but no force onto the tap itself, and you can see it's very slowly starting to turn. Just using my finger now, you can feel the pressure. It's rotating it slowly but very powerfully and releasing the tap headgear that is now loose. Just using my finger. Once this has been done, slacken off the bolt, remove the sleeve and the pull rod, and now, as you will see, the head nut is completely loose, ready for removing, for rewashing or regrinding of the seat. Now all left to do is to remove the tap headgear, like so. This is now finger tight. Unscrew that. Examine the washer, needs replacing, take the screw out, put a new washer in. Screw that back down, once you've got it re-washed. You can in fact put the insert back on using the same spanner. You can place that over the top and do the same thing in reverse, which is to tighten the head nut up using the same tool. Like so. This will now do the opposite of what I've just done. People with poor hand strength or don't want to disturb the tap further, and it will actually pull it tight in reverse of undoing it. And there you go. Take that off, take the equipment off, take the sleeves off, pop your head back on, screw that down. Screw that down, place the head, cap, and there you go, job done. Pozibite bit is designed for releasing damaged head nuts when they've been so tight that the spanner has rounded off the corners of the nut and you can't get a grip. This is where the Pozibite comes in. It's placed over the damaged nuts, like so. Tighten up the pinch bolt using the Allen key, like so. This is now biting very firmly into the brass, the damaged brass. Again, a very good purchase, ready or prior to removal. Next part of the operation is similar to before. Select the liners, put the liner over the spout, tap splitter sleeve, place that over the spout, then the full spanner, placing that over the pozibite bit, pull rod, placed over there, put the threaded end through the slot like so. Place the nut over. Using the spanner supplied, rotate. You can feel the pressure pulling. You can see there now it's pulling the damaged head out. That's now loose. Remove the pull bar and the sleeve, and you'll see now that's now loosened off. So you can now undo the unscrew. Remove the whole thing off. And now you can take out the head, which is damaged, obviously, all rounded off. And just get some reviver kits and replace that into there, and you've got new heads. Job done. This is the Advanced Building Design, or ABD Tools, TapSplitter Kit, as recently seen on Dragon's Den.